In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download or export your Shopify theme, making it easy and efficient. If you're considering customizing or backing up your Shopify store, downloading the theme is a crucial first step, and I'll guide you through every stage of the process. Let's start by navigating to Shopify's website. Now, the first thing you need to do is log in. Once you're on the Shopify login page, choose your preferred login option. For today, I'll show you how to proceed using the Continue with Google option, as it's a popular and straightforward choice if you have a Google account linked to your Shopify store. Next, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use. Simply click on the account associated with your Shopify store to proceed further. Once you're in, the next step is to focus on your Shopify admin dashboard. Look for and click on Online Store, located in the left-hand menu of your dashboard. This will lead you to the next page where you can manage various aspects of your store's online presence. From the options available, you'll see Themes listed on the menu under Online Store. Click on Themes to view all the themes associated with your store. Take note of your active theme here, as this is the one we will be downloading. To access more options related to the theme, navigate to your selected theme and click on the three dots you see in the Themes section. This icon represents the More Options menu, which is your gateway to various theme management functionalities, including the one we're looking for, downloading your theme file. Select the option reading Download Theme File. By doing so, Shopify will prepare a zip file of your theme that's ready for download. Now, since Shopify facilitates theme transfer via email, after initiating the download, you'll need to send the theme file via email. Just hit Send Email and Shopify will email you a link as soon as it's done, compressing your theme into a zip file. At this point, you should check your Gmail inbox, refresh your inbox if necessary, and look for an email from Shopify. It will contain the download link to your theme file. Keep in mind that sometimes emails can land in your promotions or spam folders, so double check there if it doesn't appear in your primary inbox right away. Once you spot the Shopify email, find the one labeled Theme Export. Open up the email and there you will find a button or link to download the zip file. Clicking this will enable you to save the file to your hard drive, safely securing a copy of your Shopify theme for later use or customization. And there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to downloading or exporting your Shopify theme. You now have the flexibility to customize or secure your theme as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.